Hello and welcome to the complete guide to creating and selling courses on Udemy. Thank you so much for enrolling in this course and taking advantage of this golden opportunity to earning a massive income through creating courses on Udemy. First of all, I want to explain our goal here with this course. Our goal is to walk you through each step of successfully creating and selling courses on Udemy so that it'll become a major asset to your online income. Inside of this course, I'm going to take you through the key steps that you see right in front of you now so that your courses are built up on a solid foundation and you're perfectly set up for long-term Udemy success. Section 1 begins with this video you see here, where then I'll walk you through a few introductory tips that you should keep in mind as you're taking this course. They prepare you for how you should perceive the process of course creation. And then we move on to section 2, where your lessons really begin. I show you the complete strategy to finding the perfect course idea every single time, even if you have no ideas yourself right now. I show you how to find ideas that have a high percentage of sales and find one that has students dying to learn from you. Section 3 is where I go into gathering content for your course. The number one factor of any successful course lies in the information inside that course. I give you a complete methodology to finding highly valuable information to put in your courses no matter what niche you're in, and to ensure 100% student satisfaction. Section 4 is where your lessons come to life. I show you what you'll need to start making stunning course lectures and videos, and the methods to making your videos look professionally done even if you have no video creation experience right now. Section 5 is then where the money starts to roll in. I show you how to create the perfect course landing page that highly improves your chances of selling, and how to go about creating a promo video that will increase your sales rate by 5-fold. And then finally, section 6 is where I give you the methods to accelerating your sales. I explain the methods I use to ensure that I have sales as soon as I launch my course, which works no matter what niche you're in. I also show you how to make sure Udemy completely sells your course for you organically and letting them bring you the most sales possible. That pretty much covers everything in this course. If at any time you're having trouble or run into a few roadblocks, head over to the Q&A area and feel free to ask any questions that you may have. So now it's finally time to get started on your journey to Udemy success. So start diving in now, and I'll see you in the next video. Again, thank you so much for enrolling in this course. I'm very happy to have you here.